So remove these lights, pull this tab, you got 2 screws. We're going to remove those. You will need an extender, of course, because they're in there pretty deep, but it's simplest. And just so you know, these are 10mm screws. Look how difficult that was. Alright, so next thing all we're going to do is disconnect this, and that is the headlight out. Now we're going to do the same with the other side. Okay, so the clip on this one is damaged, so we just redneck secured it right there. It'll work. Okay, so with this we have 2 bolts that need to remove this cover. We don't need to take all of it out like we do on the front, just these 2 bolts. And for these bolts, they're going to be 8mm. Alright, so next all we're going to do is push this liner out the way. Okay, when I said 2 bolts, I meant 3. Alright, now we're in, we've just got that 1 bolt holding the bumper. Just that one. Never said I was a professional. So all we've done in here is get our trim tool. Loosen those, loosen these, loosen this, and this should just come right off. You will have some sensors underneath here. Unless you got the broadcast edition like me, and there is none. Look how easy that was. Okay, so unlike the front, which was kind of a pain in the ass, these could not be any simpler. That is it, good folks. So common sense just says we're going to take all these screws, this screw, these in, it should just slide right out. Like it goes without saying too that this is a perfect time for a bit of house cleaning. I like that. I'm getting arena war style vibes from it. Okay, so once all these screws are out, that easy. Okay, and with the new one, such a simple process compared to the front end. So as you can see, that is how it goes on. But of course, because I don't have the exhaust, I'm going to take that splitter off and drive around like a Charlie for now.